Tito na! Tito! Woohoo! Tito's flying!
Like a bird.
Like a bird! Mike is loving it. Yes, Daddy?
Yes.
This is in the road. And this is the high.
Buti na lang talaga guys. Akala ko talaga na bulag na sa atin yung Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. I am feeling a bit better today. So, the family are going to... Where are we going? Where are we going?
In the beach.
The beach! Yes guys, we're going to the beach because it's looking beautiful outside. Hindi siya masyadong mainit talaga. It's only 21 degrees, Bob?
Yeah.
Yeah, 21 degrees pero the sun is out. So, yeah, that's why. Kaya kahit napupunta kami ng beach ay nakaganito ako guys kasi yun na nga, hindi pa rin siya mainit. Sobrang maginaw pa rin siya.
Hey.
You wanna do it? Ayan, ito yung outfit ni Baby Paris, guys. Tingnan nyo. So, sa loob, meron na pala siyang anong tawag dito, yung kanyang swimsuit. You going? Go, sino dali ka? You're what? Daddy's got it. Ayun na siya, guys. Oh, yun yung kanyang pa-outfit. Okay, mommy coming. Jump. Yan yung gustong suotin ni Paris, guys, na shoes. And it's very big pa sa kanya. Nagdala ako ng guys, itong aming pang-picnic bao na mat. Para meron tayong maupuan doon. Show mommy B? Show mommy B? Are you happy? Is Paris happy na? She's happy na siya, nakalabas na. No, mommy. No, mommy.
Mommy, Daddy, you can you.
Are you cold na? Are you cold? Are you drama? Na guys, oy, dramatic actress din akong anak, guys. Basta na nangitag ko niya, guys, actress na akong anak. Akong anak i-recommend.
Huh?
Huh? Come on, get in the car now. Huh? Lola.
Give me a car.
Vibe si Lola. Say hi, Lola.
Hi, Mama.
Sina, get in the car now.
Yourself.
Do it yourself. We're in Sandringham, guys. Ayun na yung beach dyan, oh. Pero we're just gonna go get something to eat first. Paris, are you excited? Dito tayo sa labas ng fish and chips, guys. Nag-order na ako. Ayan, ang ating order number. At hinihintay lang natin. And tingnan niyo si Paris at Daddy Mike there, oh. Bumibili din sila ng kape. Ayan. Grabe, sobrang dami ng tao na nakalabas, guys. Pero, kailangan lang talagang mag-mask at maintain yung ating distansya. Ganyan, oh, si Kuya. Oh, dapat may distansya. Ayan. Tapos, after nito, dadalhin na namin sa beach, and doon na kami kakain, guys. Oh, I'm so hungry na din. Ayan na sila, oh. Ah, what did you get, Paris?
Like that.
Oh, what is that? Careful, lady. Ah, what have you got in there? Show mommy. Oh, that's so cute. Yummy. Ito binili ni Daddy Mike, guys. Is it ice latte? And iced chocolate for mommy. What's for Paris?
Take it up.
Hmm?
Take it up so we can have.
Can you show the tita your food?
Is that a cookie?
Coffee in the No, it's a fish, mommy.
It's a police, is it? And a helicopter.
Yeah, I can, but it is specific.
Cheers! Tingnan niyo ang kanyang suot guys. Ang kanyang biting suit nasa ilalim na nilagyan lang ng shorts.
Yeah, almost. I know what I'm talking
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Good luck. We're just going to get control of the acid. What is
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Mm.
Tell me.
So you can't like buy this and probably get this and like don't know.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Mama's still waiting for the calamari. What's wrong? You wanna go now?
The fish.
Yeah, in the beach. Tingnan niyo siya guys, oh. In the beach. You have to wait for the food pa na. Ang ating baby girl guys, sobrang excited na pumunta ng beach kaya umiiyak na yan siya. Nakuha na pala namin yung aming calamari pack. So, we're heading to the beach.
Come on, Daddy.
Diyan na yung beach dyan guys. Oh, malapit lang naman. Hindi lang ito makapag-intay. Where's the car? We have to go to the car and then drive to the beach.
No, Uncle, isn't the fish up here?
Yeah, but we have to drive the car first. To go to the beach.
Let's walk there and get some.
Come on. Ayan, sobrang dami ng tao guys, oh. Parang nabaguhan talaga ako guys ba kasi di ba for the last few months parang walang mga tao dito. So ayan guys, it's $9 hanggang 2:30 kami dito. And it's already 1 o'clock, so we have 1 hour and half. 1.5 hour dito. Are you ready, Paris? Paris, are you ready?
Yes.
So, Daddy, we have 1.5 hour here.
Is that all?
Yeah, it's $9 parking.
Yeah.
So we have to leave by
Well
2:30.
then, let us go.
Okay. See, Paris, come on, quick, honey. Do you love the beach?
Let's go, baby. Go to the beach.
Paris is going to the beach. Hello, beach. After what, Bob? When was the last time we went to the beach? 7 months?
Sydney.
Oh yeah. Far out this last year. Dito na ba? Dito.
Uncle Dyson?
Rainbow.
Come on, let's go.
It's a rainbow, Mommy.
It's a rainbow.
It's a white.
Pick na sa kanan.
Yes,
Blue.
right.
Can you see the water now?
Yes.
There's the water. There's the water for Paris. Which way are we going, Daddy?
It's a boat.
Yes.
What's Tito?
Tito's gone.
Tito fly away.
Yeah. Fly away. Tito, fly away.
In the shop.
Go, follow Daddy.
Come on, let's go to the beach.
Wow.
The beach we're gonna this way. Come on.
There's so many boats.
So many boats.
It's like me.
There's the water. Woohoo! Quick, follow Daddy. You okay?
Come on.
Hmm.
There's a boat. Look.
Tingnan nyo, may mga nagsasunbathing na guys. Lupay na kasi sila nga naiadlaw guys. You're alright, my love. Yeah, come on. See, Daddy's holding your toys. Yeah. See, very nice water. Yeah, water is very nice.
So let's go to the sand.
I use a big eagle.
That's a big eagle.
Okay, Tyler.
Swim.
Okay, I use the big eagle.
I'll swim with you.
Okay.
Mommy. Film that.
Oh, they closed it, Bob. We can go down in there. Tito na! Tito! Woohoo! Tito's flying!
Like a bird.
Like a bird. Say hi, Tito. Say hi, Tito na.
Like ito.
Let's go to the sand. There's a doggy na. Yes.
You like the beach, Paris?
Tito.
Paris, you like the
Tito
beach?
is flying.
Say, I like the beach, Daddy.
Okay, keep walking. Wow. How does it feel, anak? Do you like it? Yes. Hi, look at me. Paris is right into it, guys. Tingnan nyo. Straight away. Play. Dito pala yung ating calamari. And then ang aking iced chocolate. Oh, what's this one now? Woohoo! Yummy, yummy. Here you go. Wait, no. Yan guys, calamari rings and chips.
Okay. Dito.
Dito. Binapiti, tingnan nyo guys, ang payong ni Paris sa Osmo.
Paris is playing.
Daddy,
Are you serious?
Daddy Mike is loving it. Yes, Daddy?
Yes.
Daddy loves the beach so much. Si Mommy ay nakapayong.
What are you saying? You don't like the beach?
Oh, I like the beach. I don't love it as much as you do.
Does my daughter love the beach?
Do you love the beach now?
Yes.
Yeah.
I love the beach.
Let's eat muna guys. Ay, kay gutom na si ate. Silang dalawa guys, sila talaga yung mahilig sa tubig. Ayan, mermaid tsaka chokoy.
Yes! That's what I was gonna do.
Ako talaga, hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa hindi ako ma-beach. Mama is eating! Makain pa ako guys, oh.
Come on, Paris. Mo.
Ayan guys, oh, sobrang ginaw ng tubig na yan guys. I'm not even gonna step on it. Oh, pero ang dalawa. Oh. Do you like the water? Huh? Basang-basa na ang ating baby girl. pala siya ng ano guys, ng sunscreen. Second time na. Tingnan nyo si daddy guys, oh. Kahit may ginaw yung tubig. Look, daddy having a bath. Nabihisa na si Paris guys. Ay, hindi pala. Nakatawel lang siya. Ayan oh, kasi giniginaw na. Gusto na niyang magdidi.
Clean the hair.
Clean the hair. Clean the hair.
Clean the hair, please.
Okay. Hingan. Are you hungry?
No.
Why are you having a didi? Hmm? Huh?
Please, Mommy.
Guys, 2:30 na. Nandito kami sa harapan ng sasakyan.
Mommy.
But it is so hot sa loob ng sasakyan. Kaya ang ating baby girl, ayan oh.
Daddy.
Where's daddy?
Daddy got home later.
Huh?
Daddy got home.
Daddy go home?
No.
No, daddy didn't go home.
That's a week.
We have to let the car cool down. It's too hot, yes? Did you like the beach?
Yes, in the water. That's a week.
Yeah, in the water. Nakatulog pala to siya guys kasi pinadedi ko.
That's a week.
Did you fall asleep?
I say, Mommy.
Na? Tingnan nyo ang kanyang ano guys oh. Wow.
I say in the water.
In the water?
It's a sorry.
Oh, okay.
Good job.
Good job, Paris.
On the water.
Good job.
This is in the road. And this is the highway.
Careful. Fish shoe fly. Don't bother me, shoe fly. Don't bother me, shoe fly. Don't bother me, for I belong to somebody. So time check tayo guys. It's now 4:10 ng hapon. And kakapark lang namin dito sa labas ng bahay. As you can see, tingnan nyo sa ating likuran, si Paris ay nakatulog guys. Sobrang na-spend niya lahat yung energy niya sa beach. And Daddy Mike just went out kasi ano daw, basa yun siya guys kasi hindi siya nagdala ng kanyang damit. So Daddy Mike is wet. And nag-stop pala kami kanina sa Woolworths guys. Bumili lang ako ng toothpaste ni Paris kasi naubusan na siya ng toothpaste. And then bumili na rin ako ng toilet paper para sa ating bottom. Anyways guys, sobrang natakot talaga ako nung nandun kami sa beach kasi sobrang init. Itong right eye ko kasi guys, it's very teary. Kahit na meron akong contact lens or wala, umiiyak talaga tong right na eye ko guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito, but it's been like this since I was a kid. Palagi talaga to siyang maluha-luha kumpara dito sa isa. So dito is dry at ito ay palaging umiiyak. Anyways, nag-video call kami ng mama ko guys doon sa beach. Tapos parang medyo marami na yung luha ba dito na na-stuck sa mata na to. So I wiped it like that guys. And then parang after that, na-feel ko na parang uncomfortable siya. Yung bang parang yung contact lens ko. Kasi nag-contact lens sa atin you guys. Kasi alam nyo naman, very sunny. At gusto kong sunnies. Gusto kong ganito ba? Gusto kong mag-sunnies ba? Para hindi medyo, especially pag nagda-drive, gusto ko yung ganun. So, I used my cleared contact lens. Hindi siya colored guys. Cleared contact lens yung ginamit ko. And then, yun na nga guys. So, pag grab ko ng ganun, na-feel ko na parang na-fold itong contact lens ko guys. So, hindi kasi medyo ma-clear. Hindi siya klaro guys kapag sa phone ko lang ginaganon. So, nandun kami sa beach nun. Sabi ko Daddy Mike, keep an eye on Paris kasi I'll go to the car para ma-check ko dito sa mirror na to guys. And then, yes, I was right. Na-fold talaga siya guys. And you know what? It was very uncomfortable. Medyo masakit siya. And then, you know what I've done? I took it out. And then, natakot ako guys kasi alam nyo naman yung mata ko, hindi ako makakita ng mabuti kapag wala akong glasses or contact lens. So, yun guys, ito siya nakakakita. Pero ito, kasi I took the contact lens out, para siyang blurry ba. So, parang sinabi ko sa sarili ko, oh my God, like, bulag ba ako na magdadrive pa uwi nito? And I didn't really wanna take the risk, guys. So, alam niyo yung ginawa ko, guys. So, the contact lens is still okay naman. So, yung ginawa ko, binalik ko siya, guys. Parang ginanon ko lang siya, tapos binalik ko siya. And then, it's okay naman, guys. So, nung pagkabalik ko, medyo at first, may discomfort siya. Kasi nga, diba, nakalabas na yung contact lens and meron ng mga dust siguro doon. Hindi na talaga yun sobrang ka-clean kumpara sa first time na paglagay mo sa mata mo. Can you imagine guys, I took it out, tapos yung aking kamay ay hindi masyadong clean, diba? Tapos binalik ko siya guys. Luckily, I'm very happy na okay naman siya guys. Naghintay lang ako doon ng mga ilang minuto just to make sure na okay yung aking contact lens. Kasi, oh my God, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko talaga guys kapag hindi ko na ibalik yung contact lens ko. Like, I could probably drive, but ito nga lang siya, hindi siya masyadong klaro. So, buti na lang talaga guys. Akala ko talaga na bulag na sa atin yung magdadrive nito. That's good. Ayan, buti na lang na ibalik. Ayan. So, the moment na pagpasok natin ng bahay ngayon, guys, I'll take this off para makarest na naman yung mata ko. And that's what I like about cleared contact lens, guys. Kasi hindi siya thick kumpara doon sa colored contact lens. And, yeah. So, madali lang siyang, anong tawag dito, kunin palabas, tapos ipasok mo ulit. Ngayon ko lang talaga na-realize guys na kailangan ko ng isang pair ng glasses dito sa sasakyan just in case ito na nga mangyari itong ganito. And yeah, meron naman akong isa doon sa bahay na hindi ko ginagamit. So, I'll better put that here para naman in case mangyari ulit, oh my God, contact lens pa more kasi nga tayong mga bulag. Then yeah, I have something here para pag-drive. Okay lang kapag nagda-drive si Daddy Mike. Alam niyo naman na hindi nagda-drive si Daddy Mike. So, ako lang talaga yung nagda-drive. Kaya yun. Anyways, Paris had a great day sa beach, guys. Also, Daddy Mike, nakita niyo naman kanina silang dalawa. Sobrang saya-saya ni Daddy Mike. Alam niyo, sabi niya, kasi matagal siyang naligo, guys. Nagsalom-salom siya dito sa dagat. And he said that, he felt like like a new person. Ganon niya kagusto at kamahal yung dagat talaga guys, na feel niya na bagong tao daw siya pag kawas niya sa dagat, because it feels so good daw talaga. Pero ako guys, oh my God, like seriously, sobrang ginawak kaya ng tubig guys, and especially it's only 21 degrees even though the sun is out, still yung tubig ay very maginaw. Pero for Daddy Mike and Paris, seriously, they don't care guys. They're very Aussie. Ako guys, kandingon kayo. Anyways, hintay-hintay lang muna tayo dito hanggang magising ang ating baby girl. And then, we'll go in. I'll speak to you again very soon. Our baby girl is awake. Come on, let's go. Let's go see Daddy. Ay, shush. Very hayag guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. It's 5:30 ng hapon. Katulugon pa maning bataan eh. Oh, is it hot? Oh no, come.
Daddy.
Go. Louder.
Daddy.
Louder.
Daddy.
May tao na. Open na nato, Bi. Di magtupag si Daddy. Ay, nag-shower man siguro si Daddy na. Do you know how to open that? Ay, shush! Maayo naman ka mag-open, oy. Big girl naman ang baby. Patalis ka, oh. Shush, shush, shush. Lalala na. Buwan na si Mama. Walang dapat ni Mama. Ito na ang ating turon, guys. Ayan. Ito yung binili ko from the Filipino shop a week ago. Yeah, more than a week ago. ayan. So, yung laman ng isang plastic, guys, ng isang ganito, 8 sila. Kaya niluluto ko na lang lahat kasi frozen sila eh. Nauubos ko naman. Nauubos ko naman, 8. 8 ka buok. Tag-2 man sa amo sa una, guys. I think like now, tag-5 na. Ayan. Anyways, guys, isi-share ko na sa inyo yung ating positive quote of the day. Naubusan na pala tayo nung nasa papel, guys, yung pinapakita ko sa inyo. So, I just choose yung favorite positive quote ko. And then, I'm gonna share it with you guys. So, for today, it is, there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Yes, guys. So, that's our positive quote of today. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na panonood ng ating mga videos, sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Welcome and sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And ngayon ay mag-shoutout na tayo, guys. Ano ba tong suot ko? Ay, nahubuan man na. The first shout-out goes to Cherry Salazar and also shout-out to Shirley Nivera, Salazar Duarez Esclet family in Silay City, Negros Occidental. Shout-out to Marde Pido from Dipolog City, Hannah Sarumines. Shout-out daw sa kanyang hubby na birthday today. Today pala, guys, is the 8th of November. So, I'm not sure kung kailan to siya ma-upload. Pero, happy birthday sa iyong husband, sis. Shout out to Vicky Inot, Bel Yamunak, and also shout out sa kanyang anak, Gionis Vlogs. Hello! Shout out to Mad Brat, Riz Tamayo, Lina Levares, Simply Glay, Lovely Dimasangkay. Shout out to Jorna Reese, Queen Survivor TV, BBL Elerio, Mayet Ebora, Feli Ilamparo, Blessed Eva Anasaliv, Joanne Owano, May Gao, Reese Channel, Marlene Dimalanta, Angie Bihino, Salvacion Miguel, Emeline Himao, and Elisa Samiliano. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Go bye.